Here are the bank statements that we're going to process from PDF into Excel. These are fake statements, but they're made to match the State Bank of India format. So the complicated thing here is that in the date column, we've got a value date as well as a transaction date, and the information is combined within the same column, but there's no space. So it's very difficult to extract and validate the date itself without first dealing with this extra text that's combined within these parentheses here. So otherwise the statement is as you would expect. But the way that we're going to deal with this extra information in the date column is we're going to make sure that the template matches the format of the document that we're processing in StatementReader, and this will automatically deal with that extra text in the date column. So in StatementReader, we're going to go to India. We know that it's in an Indian bank, and we're going to find from the list of State Bank of India formats the matching template. The way I normally do this is just take the header information, so date, value date, narration, and match that across with the thumbnail images at the bottom. So you can see here, date, value date, narration. We click Browse, and then we click Go. And it will automatically open up Excel with a validation repair summary. The repair summary in this case is showing 100%, and in Excel you can see that the data has been checked. There's no shading, so there's no orange shading for potential errors, and there's no green shading for any changes that were needed. We can also see the date column has been checked and validated into an Excel date format, and the extra information has just been pushed into the description column for processing in there if the user needed to. But every line has a separate transaction, and that's it. The raw transaction data from the PDF has been processed into Excel.